What's up, guys? Today I'm replacing the filler neck on my 98 Dakota. This is the one that I just removed here, dirty and beat. Swapping it out for this one that you see right here. I tried looking for the factory replacement filler neck that does have these hoses already attached to it. I wasn't able to find those, so I just bought the filler neck only, and I ordered these extra hoses here. These hoses are gas safe, fuel safe. Let me see this one here. This one is 1.5 inch diameter, and the other one is 3/4 inch diameter on the other for the breather hole. Now I'm going to make sure that the hoses are the correct length. I'm going to go ahead and mock it up and start putting this new one back in, and I'll show you guys what that looks like before I tighten it all down. Here's the final setup. The filler neck is in with the new hoses. I got the hose clamps in. I do still have to put the hose clamp on the little one there on the breather hole, but other than that, this is how it's going to stay. I'll tighten it up, and there it is.